If you've lost access to your Capital.com account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Capital.com login page. Go to the official Capital.com website and navigate to the login section. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or Need Help Logging In. Step 2. Select Account Recovery Options. Once you click on the recovery option, you will be prompted to enter your email address associated with your account. Make sure to enter the correct email to receive further instructions. Step 3. Check your email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Click on the link provided in the email and follow the instructions carefully. You may need to answer security questions or provide additional information to verify your identity. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and ensure it meets the security requirements outlined. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Capital.com account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Capital.com customer support for further assistance.